Understanding Roof Sheathing, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore an interesting construction term, roof sheathing. Whether you're a language learner, a DIY enthusiast, or just curious about construction terms, this video will help you understand what roof sheathing means and how it's used in context. Roof sheathing refers to the layer of material attached to the rafters or trusses of a roof. It serves as a base for the roofing material, like shingles or tiles. Think of it as the skin of the roof, lying between the structural components, like the rafters, and the outer roofing material. This section of the video will show various images and diagrams of roof sheathing, helping you visualize its placement and purpose. In this section, we'll explore the different materials commonly used for roof sheathing, such as plywood, oriented strand board, OSB, and occasionally, metal or rigid foam panels. We'll discuss the pros and cons of each material, showcasing how they contribute to the overall stability and durability of the roof. Here, we'll delve into why roof sheathing is crucial. It's not just a structural element, it also plays a significant role in weatherproofing and insulating the building. We'll discuss how it supports roofing materials, provides a barrier against moisture, and helps in energy efficiency. Installing roof sheathing requires precision and safety measures. This section will briefly overview the installation process and highlight the safety equipment needed, like harnesses and helmets. It's important to remember that professional help is recommended for such tasks. We hope this video has helped clarify what roof sheathing is and why it's an important part of modern construction. Understanding terms like this can not only enhance your English vocabulary but also give you insights into practical, everyday topics. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more informative content.